Hi everyone, today we are going to solve one face of the Rubik's Cube. Since the centerpieces do not move, the color of the centerpiece is what will decide the color of that particular face. I'll be solving the white face since this top face has a white centerpiece. While you're solving, be sure to keep the white face or which color you selected to solve first on top. We'll start by moving up any easy pieces you see that could be moved to the top face. When I see a white piece that's in this top row, instead of memorizing an algorithm to flip it, you could rotate it up and continue to solve for the remaining pieces. To move this middle piece to the top face, we'll move the white piece to the opposite right side, move the left side down, bring back the white piece, and move the left face back to the top. Here's another center edge piece. Rotate to a side that's still missing a white piece. In this case, we'll move the piece to the opposite or left side, move the right side down, bring back the white piece, and rotate the right face back to the top. To bring this bottom corner piece up, rotate the bottom to the opposite or right side. Bring the left face down, rotate the bottom white piece back to the left, and return the left side to the top. For the center edge piece, after matching it up to the row it belongs in, move the piece to the opposite right side. Move the left side down, bring back the white piece, and move the left face back to the top. For the corner piece that's not located on the side of the cube, but rather on the bottom, again, for simplicity's sake, and instead of memorizing an algorithm to flip it, you could rotate it up, move any other white pieces to the side, and continue to solve for the remaining pieces. For this final corner piece, match it up to the row it belongs in, move the piece to the opposite left side, move the right side down, bring back the white piece, and move the right face back to the top. Now for this final center edge piece, after matching it up to the row it belongs in, move the piece to the opposite left side. Move the right side down, bring back the white piece, and move the right face back to the top. And there we have it, one completed Rubik's face.